Hey there guys, you've probably noticed that Photoshop CS5 has been released and a bunch of other different CS5 products from Adobe, and the first thing that everybody's probably wanting to try and get to work is content aware fill. And I've tried it, and it actually takes a little bit of playing around to get it to work. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to actually make content aware fill work correctly. So I'm just going to take this picture of a iBook fan that I sold on eBay, and I'm going to actually use content aware fill and make it disappear. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our quick selection tool, and we're just going to make a rough selection. Doesn't have to be completely perfect. Just don't grab any, something like that. So I'll just go back and fix that. But make sure you make it a somewhat decent selection and not grab a bunch of carpet or whatever you're actually working with. So now that I have my rough selection, I'm going to go up to Select, Modify, Expand, and I'm actually expand it by 20 pixels because it's a very, very large image. It matters how large your image is. If it's only 640 by like 380, then you're probably going to have to go down on your expanding pixels. But I'm going to go up by 20, and you notice that it'll bring it up here. Oh, stuff in carpet here. And it'll bring it up to about that much. So I'm just going to use a hotkey, Shift F5, and I'm going to bring up fill. And when you use fill, you can use content aware, pattern, black, white, or you can choose a color. I'm going to actually go and use content aware, and then Photoshop's just going to go through and say, hey, I'm going to do this for you, and I'm going to fill this in to the best I can, and I'm going to use a background to do it. So as it's grabbing it, you just sit here and think how long it would actually took you to do it by yourself. So after it's done, you can hit Command D to deselect, and you'll notice you might have some things in there like I do here. Like that is a piece of wire. I can just grab the clone stamp tool, sample from an area around, and actually just take that out of there. And go back out. Bam, you're done. So you actually made it just look like the background's there. Some selections won't be perfect, but if you guys need another tutorial on this, just leave a comment because I will do it. Thanks for watching.